Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can create an editorial calendar or a content calendar in Monday.com to manage all of your tasks and to schedule your plans. So there is a template that you can use under main workspace. Click this blue button, click choose from templates and search for calendar. Here you get these two templates. One is work calendar, you can manage your work, and the second is content calendar. For this we are going to use content calendar. Press use template and it will set up the template. Alright guys, once the template is set up, as you can see, it has created a content calendar for us. It has added a new board. So here we can manage our draft campaigns, our live campaigns, our completed and paused campaigns, and we can add new groups to manage other data as well. So this is how we can manage our content using a calendar in Monday.com, or we can basically call it an editorial calendar as well. It is basically the same thing. You can manage your channel, your website, your YouTube channel, your campaign brief, timeline, owner, and a lot of other things that you like. So this is how you create a content calendar or an editorial calendar in Monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.